Hi, this is EasyVision. This video is for Ford Expedition Lincoln Navigator Mirror Cap Upgrade. It's available to work on your car. No need to take off your mirror from car. Hope you enjoy. The tool you need is a towel and a flat blade screwdriver. Push the glass holder up and right to the end. Then you gotta learn to insert your screwdriver. Insert between glass holder and the actuator, and rotate screwdriver to loose the holder from the actuator. Cover towel and pry up with hand or screwdriver. It's properly connected. You can tap it for a while in case it falls down. There are 3 clips: 2 lock from mirror housing, 1 lock from cap. Insert the screwdriver to loose the clip from cap. Push forward, that's it. See these 2 pieces, a cross strip with rising flag style and cap. The clip on the strip, insert into this hole. And check the corner. It may not tight, but it's okay this moment. Then insert the cap from the sharp corner. Place the cap. Double check the edge and the clips. Before you install the glass holder, you should be clear of the metal clip. Make sure it's inserted into the right place. Otherwise, the holder will loose. Place the center. Cover towel to place its saver. If your mirror is without signal, do the same steps on it. If you still have questions, please be free to contact us. Thank you. Hope you enjoy it.